let's declare a empty object first, and let's declare a property inside this. Let's say id, and we have to assign a for loop value to this id property. So we can't write we can't write like this. We can't directly assign the for loop value to the id property, so we have to use the anonymous function, that is this. So the return result of this function will be assigned to the id value. So we will use for loop inside this now. Let's declare j is equal to 0, and inside this, below this, we just use for loop I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and inside for loop just increase the j value and return j. So this function will return j, and that j will be assigned to the id property. So this way we use the anonymous function, and let's print console.log temp.id. Okay, so let's check on the browser. So this console.log at line number 28, and on the browser you can see at line number 28 we have value 5. So the temp id value is 5. So this is the way of anonymous function in JavaScript. So thanks. We will back soon.